Oh, do you need TikTok coins? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of TikTok coins completely for free, guys. So this is fully working. It's super insane, guys. I'm always like on the hunt for these tutorials and none of them work. I have never been able to get successful TikTok coins until I found this working method. Look at that, guys. The coins are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It is super insane, guys. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of coins completely for free. As you can see at the moment, I got 17,500 coins, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So first things first, guys, we have to go to ZooMods. The site has like modded apps and stuff like that. So once you're on the site, guys, go search bar, type TikTok, and you can see it says TikTok coins mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys, because it's fully working. And if you go to the search bar and type in TikTok, you guys can see it is super expensive to buy the coins. I mean, crazy, bro. Look at this. I'm not paying for that. So yeah, all you got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods, and you can download this TikTok coins mod. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out. Super insane, guys. Fully working. And I'm rich as heck, bro. Look at this. I got 17,500 coins. And you know what? If we go to the App Store, the most they sell is 400, and that's $5.99. So can you imagine how much mine would cost? Crazy, bro. But I didn't have to pay for it. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it is fully working. Super cool, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool. Just download the TikTok coins mod right now, guys. So it's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. This is wild, bro. Wild. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. This actually works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys later, but this is totally working, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. You just gotta go to ZooMods and then go to the search bar and type in TikTok. You're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. And it actually works.